Jhalana, the land of leopard, a leopard forest of the Pink City. Jaipur is undoubtedly India's prettiest city, a magnet for tourists from world over. Jaipur is guarded by the forested Aravlis on three sides. These forests, lush green during monsoons, are home to an incredible array of biological diversity. A stone throw away from the city center, one can observe the natural history of the prince of cats, the leopard. The Aravlis are among the oldest fold mountain ranges of the world. The Aravlis run in Rajasthan from northeast to southwest and act as a natural barrier to the spread of the Great Indian Desert, which lies on the west. Three parallel series of hills which have two valleys between them from a crucible of habitats, the forest of Jhalana. Climate of the region can be broadly divided into hot summers, the monsoon, and winters. Summers commences in March and last till the middle of July when the monsoon sets in. Temperature can go unto 47 degree in summers and prevailing hot summer wind Sirocco is common. To an extent, the hills to the west contain the severity of the wind. Infrequent dust storms also occur in the summer. The middle of July sees the advent of monsoons, and that is when the hills turn green. The southeastern monsoon bring in 450 to 500 of rain over 30 odd rainy days. After a brief autumn, winter sets in the late November. Winter are mild by North West India standards. Occasionally, winter rains, snow commonly as a mavat, occur. Most of the winter's precipitation is through dew in low-lying areas. Occurrence of the forest also take place in winters. Forest affect natural regeneration of plant in the valleys. The minimum temperature records is 2 degrees centigrade and the maximum hover around 27 degrees centigrade. Jalana is situated in the Jaipur region and is surrounded by the Aravali mountain ranges, which is home to a variety of flora and fauna. The rock of the Aravali system comprises primarily of the quartzites, conglomerates, grits and shales. The crystalline and metamorphic rocks are covered by red sandy soil with loam and hard clay in place. On either side of the hill ranges, one comes across heavy deposition of sandy soil in the form of fossil sand dune. The parent, predominantly undulating, is made up of hogback ridges, valleys, and gullies. The boundaries of Chalana forest have developed areas such as Jawahar Nagar and Agra Road in the north, the settlement of Khonagorian in the east, and Jagatpura in the south. The Rajasthan University and Malviya Nagar localities are on the west. Jhalana is geographically contiguous with the forest of Galta and Nahargarh wildlife sanctuaries that lie towards the north. There are sufficient corridors linking the forests and contrary to popular belief, Jhalana is not a habitat island. Jhalana consists of undulating terrain that is made of valley, ridges and nalas, typically of the Aravlis. The princely state of Jaipur, founded in 1128 AD, ruled the region. Jaipur state had its headquarters at Amer, between the 14th century and the early part of the 18th century. Thereafter, a new capital, Jayapura, was built, the earliest example of geometrically planned city by Maharaja Savai Jai Singh II. Jaipur today has a population of 3.1 million and is the capital city of India's largest state in Rajasthan. The House of Jaipur was well known for being host to extravagant shikar. Royalty from Europe and other part of India and senior officials of the British Raj regularly were guests of the Jaipur Royals. Hunts were organized in Nahargarh, Ramgarh, Ranthambore and even Jhalana. Jhalana, because of its proximity to the city, was well protected, and even today an old Shikarodhi can be seen within the forests of Jhalana. Located on a mid-level hill with proper roads, the Odi was strategically located so that both the valleys could be observed. The old hunting records of the Jaipur estate reveal that the Prince of Wales shot a tigress here in 1876. In October 1919, Maharaja Sadul Singh of Bikaner shot his first tiger in these forests. Rufus Isaac, the first Marquess of Reading, was Viceroy of India while calling on Maharaja Madho Singh II. In 1922, shot a tiger and wild boar in Jhalana. Hunting records also indicate the presence of sloth bear in these forests. Colonel Kesari Singh, the then in charge of the state Shikar Khana, organized the last shoot in Jhalana in 1943 for Rajmata Gayatri Devi of Jaipur. The tigress shot by the queen was examined and found to be a nursing mother. Colonel Kesari Singh stayed back to track the cubs and located them the next day in the dark hollow. In his book Hints on Tiger Shooting, Colonel Kesari Singh narrates how he rescued 5 tiger cubs. To him, they appeared stumpy with large heads and thick legs, and he named the cubs after the 5 dwarfs of Snow White. 2 of them, Grumpy and Happy, survived and were handed over to Jaipur Zoo. Reports of the tiger from the Jhalana forest were common even in the 1950s. A hunting party was chased by a tigress with cubs near the Lakshmi temple adjoining the Rajasthan University campus. Visitors to Jhalana recall a tiger named Sabunath frequently sighted in the area. A record of the tigress frequenting Amer Ghati and Galta came in till the 1960s and 1962. A tigress and cubs were recorded in Ramgarh. In January 1962, Jhalana was declared a reserve forest under the Rajasthan Forest Act. Area of recreation, Jhalana was subjected to severe pressure to mining. The western hillside still bears scars. It was only in 1996 that mining in the area came to a halt. Local residents used to frequent Jhalana and sighting of leopards was common. It was in 2017 that the Forest Department brought in regulations regarding access and started systematic wildlife safaris for tourists. Today, these safaris are additional attraction to visitors of Jaipur. The state government has made significant investment in protecting the area by construction of boundary wall, water course management, creation of water holes and trails. With structure management in their place, the habitat should improve in the year to